Alright guys, so before this video begins, I have to talk to you real quick. These videos you see me and Nelly be doing back and forth, right? It is just for entertainment, entertaining you guys who are home during these times and nothing for do. You understand me? Some you know why people are comment some things, yo, like we are human beings too, that you see me? I'm not go for Nelly, I go after her, about call her names and that. Yo, no. I have to entertain Uno. We realize that we have the same like audience watching us, so we try to do something for Uno. That's all I'm gonna say. Now enjoy the video and stop rambling with people. Red Jude. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Now we're here with a reaction to... No wait, welcome to Entanglement the Series Caribbean Edition, because that's what you guys are calling it in the comment section. People, yo, these comments, see them on the screen there. Comment on this video, see your comment in the next video that I post, post every single day. Numerous times for the day, regardless of the situation, right? Now we have Miss Entanglement herself, Neily. Right now she rates my Instagram pictures. Remember, this is how the entire thing started. I rated hers, she reacted to it, and the story continues. Now I'm gonna see what she has to say about my pics. Cause for one, I know that I'm the sexiest guy on the planet right now. Look at it. Right, ladies, right? So I know that I all my pics got 10. I don't post my pic if I don't like it. You understand me? Yeah. So let's see what Neily has to say, guys. Smash the like button on the video, as I said before. And guys, please watch the ads. Watch the advertisements. That's how we get paid right now, because as you can see, now I'll be in my car making these videos. I ain't in there. We're gonna talk to you later. Let's get straight to the reaction, guys. Neily. Link to Neily's page will be down below in the comment, in the description. You understand? So go pray for yourself. Go and subscribe to our channel and thing. Run tune.
This one is a 10 for me. This one is a 10.
You just brought me, but me your friend. Alright? I'm like the instrumental. I'm like your interest up. Yes, you know. What you know? Alright. Wait up.
What is up, Neily gang? Welcome back to my channel. Yo.
Wait, we got it. It's storming outside anyway, so we gotta rate her pick from 1 through 10. So let's see what's going on for her pick, for her fit, I should say. First of all, beautiful smile. 10. Show my 10 them easy ones for you. Go on.
See that title, you already know what's going on. Now today,
Yeah?
I'll be rating Tyrek's pictures from 1 to 10. If you haven't seen his video, he rated my pictures from 1 to 10. I'll leave the link in the description box down below, so you guys should definitely go check it out. Okay?
Now she look happy, man. Nah, like, you look happy. You look happy. This video gonna be long, so guys, I hope you guys are relaxed in a comfortable place right now, ready to watch a long video. She look happy.
I'm gonna be rating the pictures from a different profile, right? He has 2 accounts. I'll also leave that in the description box.
How do you know that?
It's trendytj_, so you guys should, follow it and spam it up.
Oh, she know that.
Stuff, So,
and she smile.
without further ado,
Let's get straight to the video.
So I'm about to screen record. I'm gonna place right here on the screen. 3, 2, 1.
Now.
Right. So the first picture.
Alright, so wait, make it 2 cents. I only posted this picture because it's for merchandise. You understand me? Cop the merch, scroll down and you can cop the merch. So I wouldn't be feeling the way she didn't give this one a 10. You don't know, but go on.
The first picture, it says run ? Now everybody who watches this YouTube channel, everybody knows it. Run tune.
Dev?
This picture,
Dev?
one selfie. He also got his merchandise. You guys go purchase, you know, run it up, run it up, run it up. Okay.
Thank you very much. She's here selling my merch.
This picture. I'll get a 7. 7 out of 10. If all you want the ladies, not the men, or you can help me rate the picture.
Shit, the ladies, not the men.
Let me know what's all your opinion on it. If all you disagree with me, if all you agree with me. But this one, I'll give it a 7. You know.
It's alright, we'll live with that. We'll live with
it.
No, this 10. Me not hide and talk. If you give me less than 10, Nelly, if you say less than 10 for this picture, we're gonna have problems and I'm gonna page you for this.
Next picture. Outside.
I get them outside.
I like his shirt. I like the shirt. Oh, you can't go wrong with the forces. You can't go wrong with the forces. So this one, I get a 9.
Oh, I burnt my hand today because if you didn't know, I cook. I'm a chef. But Nelly, I can cook you some food. This is why I got this on my hand. I burnt my hand. But Nelly, what you just say? What? 9?
It's a 9. My 10 had to get it, right?
No, she take that from my video. And me say that in my video. And me say my 10 them hard to get in my video. And me say that.
So this one I'll give it a watch him posing upon the corner. Sweet man thing. A Tyrekevlogs. But we're going on with Tyrekevlogs.
What she say, sweet man thing? What? Sweet man thing? What?
Watch him posing upon the corner. Sweet man thing.
Sweet man thing.
Sweet
man thing. That's why y'all talking Trinidad, yo, sweet man thing, a sweet man thing. What? Why? That's all the error that's all the wrong ish.
Funny car socks and that reflect down all the white old school and socks or your Jordan ones and
Quit hyping me up, what the hell?
socks that reflect and the jump on.
You like that pic, you know that pic is over 10.
Alright, the next picture we had. Ooh, I like this one. This one is a 10 for me. This one is
West Hollywood,
Watch it now, watch it
California.
now. Okay.
Hey, wait a minute. Why is she acting like that? Nelly. Look at the smile on her face. Now you finna tell me you don't see that smile on her face right here. Like, look on her face. You don't see the smile on her face. Like, you don't see that smile on her face right there. You don't see it. No, you don't see.
Now this is a 10 for me. Why? Because I like the background. I like nature.
No,
So,
me.
the background stand out.
The reaction boss, you
White
see.
and again with the white old school high top.
Criminal.
Yeah, this one got 10. I like the first picture. That one look nice.
Fresh.
That one look nice. Run to.
Look at her face, guys. Hey, Nelly. I got my file. I'm gonna DM you later. Say, post it tonight, guys, or tomorrow. I DM her.
To the next one. Ooh, I can tell that he like white old school.
No,
Now.
wait, pause. If you don't give this speaker 10, I'm gonna dislike your video. So you better give that picture here a 10. Hollywood Boulevard. You know what? LA, the man thing.
We're real fresh, you know. If you have an old school in your closet, what you doing? What you
Couldn't hype me
doing?
up. Give me a fucking
White
right.
old school. And one thing, it has going to any and everything.
Mhm.
One thing about old school, it has going to any and everything. This one, what in Hollywood? This one got 10 for me. shoe matching the like prints and in Hollywood. Woo! This one is a 10 for me. I like this side bag. What? What's the name of that brand? I forget. It's not in my head. It's gone, yes? What's the name of the brand? If all you know, let me know in the comment section down below. Okay? I forget the name of the brand. I forget the name of the brand. Brought you. Let me go.
I got trademark that style. Wait, pause. What me to mute me, baby girl? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to mute you. Where's zoom in on that part? And she a smile and she zoom in on that part there, the picture like. And you're gonna tell the rest at the bag, you're gonna tell the rest that you're trying to look at the bag, right? I know what you're trying to look at.
Ooh, neat.
She said, ooh.
Well, I know I'm supposed to get Crocs. Every time I go online, my size sold out, and that is aggravate me. Because a Crocs so comfortable, eh? Alright, so this picture I'll give it a 8.
I can't live with that.
I'll give it a 8.
Yard clothes, I can't live with that. Yard clothes.
That side bag real fresh, you know. I like it now. If they're pink, you know.
No pink.
Definitely buy. This picture I'll give it a 8 here. The background looks amazing. Wow.
You know, it's in Missouri. You can take a trip here if you wanna, connect with the reaction boss. We can just connect and make some videos, So you can take a trip to Missouri if you wanna. Yeah.
That looks beautiful, the background. Smiling and saying, watch him now. Next.
Watch him now.
Real like that bad boy.
Yes.
This picture. This picture. Oh shit, to come out. What he asked?
What he asked? But as you guys can see, she loves these pictures.
This one gas 7. This one gas 7 for me. I like the sweater. The camo. All you know I like.
Seven. You're gonna hire me up and give me a 7.
Like anything camo and anything denim, I just like. That's just my preference. I just like anything denim and anything camo. But this one, I'll get a 7 here, man.
No, wait, pause. Look at my shoes. Check out the shoes that I'm wearing. Let alone 10. Wet up. Oh.
And even the bag, what's him now? Should I want this? Flex. Next picture. Oh. You see? Denim again. You hear me? Ooh. I see denim. I like this one. This one, yeah, watch him now. Sweet man. Sing a Tyrekevlogs. Oh no.
Yeah, with it. Yeah, good.
What?
Pretty caption.
Everybody cooking live in front of them.
You have to watch that one. You ain't have to watch that, man. Damn. Next pick, man.
Match. Well, you don't know. You don't know the code. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, no idea. He look fresh with the look at. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I find you look good now, but you look better with the hair.
So you be checking me out then. You really do be checking me out then. Right? Because I look better with the hair. But I look good with the low cut. No, I don't like that.
There's your crown, you can't go wrong.
I
Okay.
don't like that.
You look good with the hair. This one, I get an 8, solid 8. I get a good with he low hair, but I prefer him with the
Perfect.
hair now. But I like his hair. Okay.
She just said she liked me. Like, she just said she liked me. I'm the one who heard that. Did you guys hear something else? Nelly?
This one is it for me. I like the first picture. Look nice, the background. You know? Look nice, man. It look nice. What? You look young, ready. Watch him now. Swagging out.
That's from 2017.
I like this picture too. This picture again. I'll get a 9. I'll get this picture and
Fun fact, that shirt that I'm in, it says Wet Ink, and my channel was used to name Wet Ink before I changed it to Tyrekevlogs. That's a merchandise right there. That's on top of my college that I used to go to.
9. Not too bad. The background look nice. One thing with all the pictures, you have a very nice background, right? Get that. Yeah, I get it. What I say 8 or 9.
Yes.
This picture again, 9. I say 9 or 8. However, yes, I like this picture. I like it bag. Jordan, okay. Next picture. Oh, last picture too. Normal. 7. This picture again, 7. It looks like he's just chilling on a building. Top of a building. Alright. Yeah, this picture again, 7.
Alright, we live with that.
I like guys with hair.
Maybe if I watch, I don't think I need to watch any more of this video. I don't, like, she said she like?
I like dudes with hair, but... Right, so that was the end of it. That was the last picture, but... You have some good pictures on that profile. I don't know why he had, like switch it. Yeah, maybe one for business, one for... I don't know, but... Tyreek... What they would rate his pictures, Let me know in the comments down below if you already disagree with me. Let me know as well if I should have given him higher scores on some of the pictures. Or let me know, feel free, feel free. Okay, I know it's a lot of people who agree with me and disagree with me, and it doesn't matter. So, Olia, this was me rating this picture from 1 to 10. Olia, be on the lookout now because more videos coming soon and more pranks. More pranks. How I should prank him next? Let me know in the comments down below as well. That's something in mind, But I'm open to ideas and things. Let me know in the comments down below. Follow him on this page and his official.
No, only follow me on Tyrekevlogs. So don't follow me on Trendy DJ. I ain't gonna use it.
Instagram page and his YouTube channel. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more from me, guys.
But subscribe to Neily page. Link down below in the description. Now, Neily, let me talk to you. If you ever get too prank on me, I'm in a prank. You think got something for you, man. People like the video, subscribe for more mix up, and then that time you understand me, the entanglement is real. Summer, for me, see me. It's at the Caribbean summer on YouTube. We'll lit over here, so I know about Neily page. We're gonna show us some love over our channel. You know, I said, oh, and thank you guys very much for 20,000 subscribers. You don't know it's up, But I'm telling you, the aim and the goal for the year was 10k people. Look at that. The year is not even finished yet. 20. But guess what? We grind to shine. We're gonna try and reach 100k to get that plaque and say, Mom, look, you made it. And if you made it to the end of the video, this video is like 19 to 20 minutes long. I'm gonna say thank you for watching it. Watch the ads. I'm out.